Hey, what's up, guys? Blockchain Mafia here, bringing you an update on some crypto investments. As you can see here, I got the Hashflare going. I've been making steady gains, just holding on to my Bitcoin until the price rises a little bit. My strategy for this is to wait till Bitcoin raises in price, get a little more buying power to increase the hash rate here. So I'm just kind of holding on, waiting till Bitcoin gets in the $15,000 range just to increase that buying power. Lately, past week or so, it's been really fluctuating lower around 13, 14,000. And as we all know, Bitcoin will come back as it always does. So I'm just waiting for that moment. So I'm just kind of stockpiling here. This is about $300 so far. About 3, 4, 5, 6 days of mining, so it's not bad. Again, I have a $5,000 investment, so my current hash rate is 25.53 terahash. Revenue forecast is lower than usual because of the lower Bitcoin price, but that's okay. I know that can change in just a moment of time. I was going to show you guys my Bitconnect account, show you what I was doing there, but looks like they're doing some maintenance, so I'll kind of just tell you I have about $1,000 invested in Bitconnect. Any income I get from the lending, I take straight over here and deposit into my Binance account where I can get in some altcoins. Currently, I'm in Tron and Verge. I've been kind of getting hit lately, but I suspect it's because they had a pretty big increase a week or two ago. But as you know, I'm in for the long run, so I'm just holding, stockpiling, buying more as I can. This is all mostly money from Bitconnect. So that's my strategy: is to keep my stake in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, commodity, whatever have you. And with Bitconnect, I'm doing some alternative investments. Coinbase, I don't have anything in there right now. I'm kind of just using my investments, income from investments, to invest in Binance. Binance is a really solid platform. I finally get why so many people love them. Make it really easy to deposit and trade, to exit out of a position if you are not happy with it. So I highly encourage you to use Binance if you considering investing in some altcoins. The huge list of altcoins you can get into. Too many. These two right here are the kinds that I've done some research on. I like what I see with them, so I'm willing to invest some skin in the game on that one. There's been a lot of conflicting news lately with Bitcoin being adopted as a currency from banks, and this looks like it's in the UK. Bitcoin investors banned from using their mega profits to buy houses amid money laundering fees. And you can't say that that's not a surprise. I mean, of course, there's going to be a lot of backlash with people that are making decent money from cryptocurrency because it's not really adopted worldwide yet. So I mean, this is understanding, and I think that'll change in the future. Here we go with Cointelegraph. Great source of information. I read it every day. I highly advise if you're in cryptocurrency, if you're thinking about it, you do the same. It's important to stay on top of the news, so you can understand the fluctuations in the prices of coins that you get in, mostly Bitcoin being the forefront of cryptocurrency in general. So as you can see, UK having some backlash on investments in housing with cryptocurrency, but then you got the Russian Ministry of Finance legalizing crypto trading. You got what is it? Goldman Sachs down here somewhere. Goldman Sachs is seemingly trusting in cryptocurrency and actually, investing in it. So that's huge, because as most Americans know, Goldman Sachs is pretty much a puppet of or the puppet master, I say, of Washington. So I mean, Wall Street pretty much runs Washington, and them having a good outlook on cryptocurrency is good for cryptocurrency in general. So that's great news. This is just clickbait. Warren Buffett, I mean, says he doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency, but then he says it's probably not going to end well. Of course, you'd say that about something that you don't understand. Of course, Warren Buffett is an amazing investor, and he knows what he's doing when he's targeted on his niche. But obviously, cryptocurrency is outside of the scope of investment, so it makes sense that he wouldn't say anything optimistic about it. This is a good article right here. Binance, as I was previously praising before, it's getting a lot of growth. I think cryptocurrency trading in general is getting a lot of growth, which is a good thing. But like I said, it causes a lot of fluctuations. So you can have huge gains one day, and the next day come crashing down from traders pulling out their profits. But I mean, it's good that it's getting this natural flow of a regular stock market, because that'll just encourage more people to come in, more outsiders looking into it. So I think that's really a good thing in the long run. But those of us that are just holding for long term, I mean, I think it'll eventually pan out in our favor, as long as we're making smart research and investments. But that's pretty much it. So overall, my investment strategy is just stockpiling hash rate for Bitcoin on Hashflare, using Bitconnect profits to invest in altcoins, and that's pretty much it as of now. I mean, I'm really happy with this strategy. It's exciting. I get to sit on my stake in Bitcoin, and then also get to play around a little bit with some investments, which is really fun to follow and to be a part of. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Blockchain Mafia coming back. Hopefully it won't be as long, in a couple days or so. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Bye.